The ownership of the North and South Poles, as well as the surrounding areas, is governed by international agreements and treaties. Specifically, the Arctic region is governed by the Arctic Council, while the Antarctic region is regulated by the Antarctic Treaty System. The melting of glaciers, which contributes to rising sea levels, does not impact the ownership of these regions. These agreements, which include the Arctic Council's Arctic sovereignty and the Antarctic Treaty, are focused on promoting scientific research, preserving the environment, and maintaining peaceful cooperation in these areas. Currently, no country or individual owns the North or South Pole. The regions are considered to be part of the global commons, belonging to all humanity. The international community, through these agreements, aims to ensure that these areas are protected and used for peaceful scientific purposes. It's worth noting that the melting of glaciers and the receding ice in the polar regions pose significant environmental and geopolitical challenges. As the ice melts and new shipping routes become accessible, there may be increased interest from countries in exploiting resources or establishing territorial claims. However, any claims or disputes would need to be resolved within the framework of international law and the agreements that govern these regions.